This week I needed a few groceries, so I went to Publix, and these are the things that I got. 2 bags of sweet butter lettuce for salads, a bag of coleslaw mix, some petite red potatoes, bananas, fresh green beans, some Dove dark chocolate, strawberries, sweet potato, 2 ears of white corn on the cob, some sharp cheddar cheese that's shredded, 2 boxes of Jell-O black cherry Jell-O, and a box of the chocolate instant pudding and pie filling. It's also made by Jell-O. A regular cream cheese, a can of crushed pineapple, some evaporated milk, sour cream, orange juice, half and half, Cool Whip, some frozen blueberries, and with the blueberries, the cream cheese, the pineapple, I'm going to be making a blueberry salad, and it's a congealed salad. Some sea salt that's coarse that I can put in my little grinder to grind salt, mayonnaise, self-rising flour, some taco shells, some flour tortillas, some Quest bars, and some Boar's Head maple ham, and some Boar's Head maple turkey for sandwiches. Those are the groceries I got this week. Thanks for watching.